Imagine this. You've poured countless hours into building your online business, creating a beautiful website, and crafting amazing content. But now what? How do you know if all of your hard work is actually paying off? In today's video, I'll be showing you the key traffic metrics for you to track, where to find them, and how to analyze them. If you're new here, my name is Kari, and I help successful businesses with messy metrics clean them up so they have access to all of the numbers they need when they need them. As a small business owner, tracking website traffic is crucial for making data-driven decisions. This tracking allows you to understand how well your website is actually performing, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately increase your online presence. But where do you track this valuable information? There are several systems available for tracking website data, but today we're going to be focusing on Google Analytics. It's a powerful and widely used tool that provides detailed insights into your website's performance. It allows you to track various metrics, such as the number of users to your site, page views, engagement rate, and conversion rate. Now, you might be wondering why we specifically chose Google Analytics. Well, it has some definite positives going for it. It's free, it's easy to set up, and provides a wealth of information for you as a business owner. Whether you're just starting out or you have an established online business, Google Analytics is a valuable tool that provides a goldmine of information that can help you to make the most of your website traffic. Using Google Analytics also enables us to have one source of truth for our data. If we rely on metrics that are tracked and reported from within different tools, we may not really have the apples-to-apples comparison that we're after to really be able to fully rely on our data. By using Google Analytics across all of our online ecosystem, we create a level playing field and can ensure that what we're tracking matches up across our entire customer journey. So now that we've established where to track your website traffic, let's talk about how you can interpret the data. As a small business owner, it's important to understand whether your website traffic is leaning positively, staying consistent, or experiencing a decline. Positive indicators can include an increased number of total users, higher engagement metrics, and improved conversion rates. But on the other hand, negative indicators could be a drop in total users, lower engagement rates, or a decrease in the amount of your conversions. To measure website traffic effectively, there's several key metrics that you really should be tracking that will help to provide you with the insights into your website's performance that will help you to make data-driven decisions. So let's talk about a few of the key metrics I recommend focusing on. First is total users. This metric indicates how successful your website is in attracting users. It can be influenced by factors like your marketing efforts, social media presence, and advertising campaigns. The second is new users. This metric tells you the number of individuals who visited your website that are new to your site. It helps you to understand how many returning users you have and how interested initial users are in returning to your site and engaging with more of your content. Third is page views. The page views metric refers to the total number of times each of your pages on your website have been viewed. This metric helps you to assess the popularity and engagement of your website content. Next, we have your engagement rate. In Google Analytics 4, an engaged user is someone who has interacted with your site. The criteria for an engaged session is that the session was more than 10 seconds, or they triggered a conversion event, or they viewed at least 2 of your pages. This engagement rate is then calculated as a percentage of the total number of engaged sessions compared to the total overall sessions during that same time period. And fifth, we have conversion rate. Your website conversion rate measures the percentage of users who take an identified action on your website, such as making a purchase, requesting a lead magnet, or filling out a contact form. Conversion rate is a crucial metric for determining if your website is effective in generating leads or sales. Understanding who your audience is and what they want is also crucial for the success of your online business. And luckily, Google Analytics also provides valuable demographic data that can help you to learn more about who is making up your audience. When you dive into the demographic data, you'll be able to identify key characteristics of your site visitors, such as their age, gender, and location. This information allows you to tailor your marketing efforts and create marketing content that really connects with your audience. But remember, not all traffic is good traffic. You need to focus on attracting the right visitors to your website, those who are most likely to convert and become loyal customers. By analyzing the demographic data, you can see which segments of your audience are most engaged and most responsive to your offerings. So for example, let's say you run an online store that sells skincare products. Through Google Analytics, you discover that the majority of your website visitors are females between the ages of 25 and 34. Now, armed with this information, you can tailor your content and marketing campaigns specifically to this demographic. But if your skincare products are meant for females aged 25 to 34 and the majority of your traffic is men aged 50 to 65, you know that you aren't attracting the right people and you need to make some changes to your marketing materials. And now this also works in the reverse too, as analyzing those audience demographics can also help you to identify untapped markets and potential customer segments. So if you notice a significant number of visitors from a particular location or age group that you maybe hadn't considered before, it might be worth exploring opportunities to expand your business and marketing in that direction. But remember, data is only as valuable as the insights that you draw from it. Make sure to regularly analyze your audience demographics and adjust your strategies accordingly. By doing so, you'll be able to attract more of the right visitors to your website and increase your chances of converting them into loyal customers. Next, I want to explore the different traffic sources and how to analyze them to drive growth. To start with, let's talk about direct traffic. So what exactly is direct traffic? Well, it refers to users who type your URL directly into their browser or by using a bookmark. Direct traffic is vital because it represents those users who are already familiar with your brand and have a direct interest in your content. They might be returning customers or individuals who have heard about your website through word of mouth. Building brand awareness is crucial to increasing this kind of direct traffic. You want to focus on creating engaging content, being active on social media, and implementing offline marketing efforts to drive more people directly to your website. One extra note to keep in mind on the topic of direct traffic, though, if you're monitoring your traffic sources in Google Analytics, you might see that you have a large number of users that come from direct traffic. While this can be represented by those going directly to your site, it can also be impacted by having flawed implementation of cross-domain tracking, which is what we use to tell Google when somebody moves from your website to your funnel page that it's all part of the same customer journey and online ecosystem. Moving on to organic traffic, a major player in the website traffic game. Organic traffic consists of visitors who discover your website through search engines. Organic traffic is significant because it's free and highly targeted. To boost your organic traffic, you need to focus on search engine optimization, or SEO. And this means optimizing your website and your content with relevant keywords, meta tags, and high-quality backlinks. If you want to increase your organic traffic, you'll need to invest time in creating valuable, informative, and shareable content. Search engines love fresh and relevant material, so make sure to keep your website updated regularly to attract more organic visitors. Now, let's explore referral traffic. This type of traffic originates from external websites that link back to your pages. Those backlinks play a key role in referral traffic. When websites that are reputable link to your content, search engines see your site as more reputable, thus boosting your website's authority and your search ranking. Building strong relationships with referring websites is really key, and you want to engage those website owners and offer valuable content that encourages them to link back to you regularly. Within Google Analytics, you might also see some referral traffic coming specifically from links clicked on trackable social media platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Finally, we've come to paid traffic, a strategy where you pay to drive visitors to your website through online advertising. Paid traffic offers instant visibility and can be really effective when executed properly. Platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, and other social media advertising channels allow you to target audiences based on specific demographics, behaviors, and other metrics. However, it's crucial to set clear goals and budgets for your paid campaigns. You also need to regularly monitor their performance and make data-driven adjustments to ensure that you're maximizing your results and your return on investment. The main takeaway here is that if you're paying for traffic to come to your website, it is absolutely essential that you know that it's leading to conversions and that you're not losing money along the way. Now, another important aspect of website traffic insights are around conversion metrics and sales funnels. So first up, conversion rate. What exactly is your conversion rate, and why is this so crucial to measuring the success of your online business? Well, your conversion rate represents the percentage of visitors who take a specific and desired action on your website, such as filling out a contact form, requesting a lead magnet, or making a purchase. This is a really important metric because it directly reflects how effective your website is in turning those visitors into valuable leads and customers. To improve your conversion rate, you need to focus on optimizing your website. This means creating clear and compelling calls to action, streamlining your checkouts, and enhancing the overall user experience. Regularly testing different elements on your site can also help you to determine what connects best with your audience. So now that we've covered conversion rates, let's move on to sales funnel analysis. A sales funnel is that journey that a potential customer takes from their initial interaction with your website to becoming a paying customer, and understanding the customer journey is crucial for optimizing your sales funnels. You need to identify the different stages your customers go through before making a purchase. This could include awareness, consideration, and decision-making stages. It's important to track the behavior of your visitors at each of these stages of the sales funnel. Look for conversion bottlenecks, which are points in a funnel where a significant number of visitors drop off or fail to progress to that next stage. By identifying those bottlenecks, you can implement targeted strategies to help address those issues and also improve the overall flow of your sales funnel. This may involve providing more informative content, offering special incentives, or simplifying your checkout process enough to reduce friction and increase conversions. Remember, continuous monitoring and optimization of your conversion metrics and sales funnels are essential to maximize your online business's success. You could have all of the traffic in the world hitting your site, but if they aren't taking that next step to becoming a customer, it's really not going to move the needle for you. Another important consideration for online business owners is mobile versus desktop traffic. With the increasing use of mobile devices, understanding the impact of mobile optimization is crucial for your website success. With a significant portion of internet users browsing on their mobile devices, a website that's poorly optimized can lead to a very frustrating experience, higher bounce rates, and lost opportunities. Responsive design is a key aspect of mobile optimization. It ensures that your website adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes, providing a user-friendly experience across all devices. And by prioritizing mobile optimization, you create a website that can load quickly, is easy for users to navigate, and offers a consistent brand experience, regardless of whether users visit from their phone or desktop computers. And thankfully, Google Analytics makes this very easy to track. I recommend checking in on your website's mobile versus desktop traffic differential consistently, as it will help you to ensure that the users hitting your site have the best possible experience. So you might be thinking, what do you do with all these results when you use Google Analytics to track these metrics? How do you possibly make decisions from them? Well, my first recommendation is to see what your baseline is in each of these different areas. Just like your car's gas gauge tells you how much gas is currently in your tank, your traffic insights will tell you what's currently happening with your site. Identify the first metrics that you want to track to answer the biggest questions that you have. This might include, where is most of my traffic coming from? To answer this, you'll want to look at your traffic acquisition report within Google Analytics 4. Or maybe it's which of my traffic sources leads to the most conversions. Again, your traffic acquisition report will help you to track this information. Maybe, does most of my traffic visit from mobile or desktop devices? You can find this under the tech report in Google Analytics 4. And if you're wondering which pages of your website are visited most often, the pages and screen report under engagement will be the biggest help for you. Or maybe you'd like to dive into the demographic information of your audience. You can find that under user attributes in Google Analytics 4. Start small, track the things that are actually going to lead to action, and see how you can incrementally improve those numbers over time. So to wrap things up today, if you have a website and are aiming to convert visitors to leads or sales, it is essential for you to be tracking website traffic metrics. By tracking metrics such as total users, new users, page views, engagement rate, conversion rate, demographic information, traffic sources, and device usage, you can gain a much deeper understanding of the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, pinpoint areas for improvement, and measure the success of your online business. Remember, when interpreting the data, it's essential to start small and focus on the metrics that directly impact your business goals. Set clear goals and regularly monitor your progress, making data-driven adjustments to incrementally improve your website's performance over time. And if you're already tracking website traffic and you just want more specific information on exactly where your marketing traffic is coming from, implementing UTM tracking codes will likely give you the details that you're after. Please check out my video on UTM basics to understand what this powerful marketing tactic can add to your business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.